Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. Back again with a very awesome and demanding collection of new aluminum stylish door designs, new colors and new ideas. So these are some of the most stylish and most gorgeous new aluminum door designs, new houses doors, and all of these designs are just amazing. So beautiful designs with beautiful color. These are looking so nice and so gorgeous, and for more designs and more ideas I must suggest it. Just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs and many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video. And I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All of these designs are my favorite, and I hope that this collection is going to be your favorite tool. So if you want to be updated by latest fashion, new aluminum dot design, so my channel is all about latest version of new wooden doors, aluminum doors and new ideas. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. And I hope that you will also find them a few and half of you. So guys, if you want to be updated by new aluminum wooden doors, new kitchen designs, houses designs, bedroom designs, bed designs, so my channel is all about latest new houses ideas. And if you are loving this beautiful, so please do like my video, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring YouTube videos and use the content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback